If you want to make $5,000 a month on YouTube without ever showing your face, well, you're in the right place. Today, I've got the top 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can start with without being in front of a camera. So let's get started. Niche number 1. Software tutorials. Software tutorials are one of the profitable niches you can start with. Let's have a look at Howfinity, a channel with over 700K subscribers and videos with millions of views. As you can see here, this simple video got more than 9 million views. All they did was solve a simple and easy problem. Let's see how much this channel makes. It's making around $1,000 to $188,000 each month and around $13,000 to $200,000 a year. That's crazy! You can make that much money and make videos like those too, don't you think? With simple, straightforward videos, you can build a great and successful channel. All you will need is to record your screen and add your voiceover. These kinds of videos don't require a lot of editing. You can use free tools like OBS Studio to record your screen and 11 Labs to generate text-to-speech if you don't want to record your own voice. I'll leave the links to those software down below. There are a bunch of software and apps that you can make videos on. You can share tutorials and how-to videos on software in different categories. Just focus on solving common problems and remember, simplicity is the key. Make your videos engaging and valuable to your viewers. So, give it a shot. Niche number 2. Whiteboard videos. Whiteboard videos are an awesome choice, especially if you're not eager to show your face. It's perfect for educators or content creators who want to keep things simple and effective. Look at channels like Exam Solutions with over 200,000 subscribers and around $1,000 to $16,000 a year. They use digital whiteboards to break down concepts in subjects like math and science. It's like being in a virtual classroom, but without face-to-face interaction. Why is this niche so great? Well, it's like being a teacher without the need for a chalkboard. You don't need to be an expert either. Software like Mango Animate and Adobe Animate are great tools that can help you make this type of video. These tools make it easy even if you're not a tech wizard. You can use them to teach everything. It's like having a whiteboard for every subject. So if you're someone who enjoys simplifying ideas and helping others learn and you'd rather not be in the spotlight, whiteboard videos could be your best choice. Niche number 3. Video games. Do you love gaming? Have you ever thought of having your own YouTube channel to review games and show off cool walkthroughs? You don't even have to show your face. People usually just want to see the game. There's no need to show your face. Faceless channels can still be super fun for gaming fans. Phantom Pro is a great example of this type of niche. They got more than 9 million subscribers. This video got 94 million views, and this video got 49 million views. Let's have a look at their earnings. They're making over $20,000 to more than $300,000 a month. It's unbelievable, right? They're getting tons and tons of views just by making special animations of different games such as PUBG, Minecraft, Fortnite, and GTA 5. All you need to do is set up your channel and focus on certain game types like RPGs, sports, or adventures. You can start making videos on Free Fire, PUBG, or any type of game you like. The best part is that the gaming community is vast and diverse. By focusing on specific game types, you're more likely to attract a dedicated audience. More viewers mean more potential for income through ads, sponsorships, and more. It's a good opportunity, isn't it? Niche number 4. ASMR channels. Have you heard of ASMR? It stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, and it's a big hit on YouTube. ASMR is all about making sounds that give you a happy, tingly feeling. Think tapping, whispering, scratching, and more. The cool part is that you don't have to show your face. It's a perfect idea if you want to stay anonymous. Just get a good microphone to capture those soothing sounds, then focus on creating the most calming and satisfying vibes for your viewers. Chromosara is a great example in ASMR niche, with over 2 million subscribers and millions of views on most of her videos. Her earnings are around $3,000 to $50,000 a month, and she doesn't speak a single word. All she is doing is whispering, tapping, scratching, and brushing. Another example is Raffy Taffy ASMR. He has more than 900,000 subscribers and gets a decent amount of views on his videos. He is making around $400 to $6,000 each month. You don't have to show yourself as those YouTubers do. All you need is a good microphone and a bit of editing. You can use microphones like Shure SM7B or Shure MV88 Plus. They're great for capturing the quiet sounds with the detail needed for ASMR. So if you love making relaxing sounds and want to share good vibes without being on camera, starting an ASMR channel could be the perfect thing for you. Niche number 5. Motivation. Motivation is a very, very hot topic. Everyone wants to be motivated and inspired, so there is a vast audience for the motivation niche. This audience wants to consume a lot of motivational content. They also like to listen to famous personalities and people who have authority, and they tend to consume content from their favorite personalities. The more creative you get in this niche, the better results you will see. Take this channel, for example. He combines inspirational figures with music and speeches, drawing 1.3 million subscribers. Most of his videos got over 10 million views. His earnings are around $200 to $3,000 a month, and his channel got $829,000 views last month. I will leave the links to all that I've mentioned in the video in the description box. So I hope you've gotten value from this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next video.